It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. We earn our own body, milk that master strength, nurture true power and energy. Pragati, the catalyst who has conglomerated science with purity, is connected with more than 1 lakh farmers, more than 2,200 villages for collection of milk, created livelihood for 10,000 people, and is now a true family member among farmers across the state of Odisha. Pragati speaks technology. Pragati speaks purity. Pragati, a cart to pull for health. Pragati, a real paradigm shift in creating history in producing milk and milk products across the state of Odisha. Pragati emerged on the horizon 20 years back at Jagatpur in Cuttack, the old and judicial capital of Odisha. The plant is set up over an area of more than 75,000 square feet with global standard equipment, well-maintained hygienic parameters, and is surrounded by the river Mahanadi. At present, Pragati is FSSC 22000 certified company. Everyone dreams, but few dreams turn into endeavors. Few contribute to the socio-economic development and upliftment of farmers. Amongst the many who have set example by proving the real virtue is Mr. Pradosh Kumar Raut. Under the keen supervision of Mr. Prakash Kumar Raut. Dedication, innovation, and quality has been the mantra of success for Pragati.
प्रगति सृष्टि करिवार मुख्य लक्ष्य थिला गोटे प्रथम पॉइंट हाईएस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करवा जोटा कि आज हमको सैटिस्फैक्शन मिली पाखापाखि 10,000 लोकों को आम ये कर्म नियुक्ति जोगे दे पारिछु। आउ द्वितीय थला इकोनॉमी डेवलप करवा रूरल इकोनॉमी को डेवलप करवा जोटा कि आज दिन में प्राय 70 लाख टंकार क्षीर प्रतिदिन आम कलेक्शन करुचु एवं से पैसा को कलेक्शन करी फार्मर्स मान को दे पारछु। तृतीय थिला क्लीन मिल्क कलेक्शन करिवा। तो क्लीन मिल्क कलेक्शन करिया पई आमे आज डेट रे बहुत एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्लीमेंट करी क्लीन मिल्क कलेक्शन करि पारछु जोटा कि हमको गोटे सैटिस्फैक्शन देछि।
Started in 2008, Pragati is today the largest private dairy in the state of Odisha, having a daily capacity of 250,000 liters of milk in polypacks, 50,000 liters of various types of cultured milk products, 10,000 liters of different types of ice creams and frozen products, 2,000 kilograms of paneer and 2,000 liters of ghee along with sterilized flavored milk.
फाइनेंशियल ईयर कंपनी मोट 26 कोटी टंकार व्यवसाय करथिला। आम कर्मचारी मानकर कठिन परिश्रम एवं उद्यम जोगु 2017-18 सुधा आमर कंपनी टर्नओवर 317 कोटी टंकार पहुँच पारी। मात्र 8 वर्ष भितर यह 13 गुण बढ़ी पारी।
Pragati is accepted as a popular household brand. Among its products are Pragati Gold Milk having 4% fat and 8.5% SNF.
ओडिशा आसीगल
जेजे मो गोल्ड मिल्क
ओ प्रगति गोल्ड मिल्क
हाँ
गोल्ड मिल्क रे एमिति कोन अछि
फैट परसेंटेज
ठीक कहलु केवल प्रगति गोल्ड मिल्क रे अछि 4% फैट।
ओ सेथिपाई तो गोल्ड मिल्क 40 टंका रे 4% फैट केवल प्रगति गोल्ड मिल्क रे।
Pragati Gold Milk, feel the difference. Pragati Premium Plus Milk with 3% fat and 8.5% SNF.
सेठी एते भिड़ काई रे?
चा दुकान भिड़ आज्ञा।
चा दुकान भिड़?
हाँ आज्ञा, ये पूरा प्रगति मिल्क चा सारा ओडिशा रे चहल पकेइछि। पूरा मल्लेई मार्का चा पीले पाटिरु छाड़ीबनी। बुझले चा दुकानी फुल माला माल। आज्ञा दाड़ी हो।
अरे रामू तू एठी?
बाबू ପାଇଁ ଚା ନେଇ ଯାଉଛି।
आज्ञा ओधा चाची आउ चाची भी। आज्ञा आज्ञा दाड़ी
प्रगति चा।
आज्ञा आज्ञा
ଏଇ ନିଅ।
आज्ञा दाड़ी
प्रगति क्षीर चा पीले पाटिरु छाड़ रे।
अरे काशिया प्रगति क्षीर
दमदार चा पाई Pragati Milk. Pragati standardized milk which is produced for the first time in Odisha and which none other possess.
बुझिलु सांग जो दिन ओडिसा को स्टैंडर्डाइज मिल्क आसीबो आम पत्ता पूरा साफ
आसीबो कर मो आसी गली प्रगति स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड मिल्क टेस्ट मी फील द डिफरेंस.
The demand from households and market has enabled Pragati to be the pioneer in the production of milk and milk products like plain curd and sweet curd, which can be used as nutritional and therapeutic supplement. Apart from curd, lassi and buttermilk are also produced with high quality ingredients, fresh milk and imported DVS culture, making it the most admired product among the people of Odisha.
चलो चले प्रगति लस्सी पी ले। प्रगति लस्सी जिसमें बड़ा मजा है।
Through research and understanding the market, Pragati began producing flavored milk, which is a healthy alternative beverage for children and young people who hesitate to drink milk. Pragati has really bridged the space between the kitchen and the dining by producing paneer from high quality fresh milk and ghee from cream extract. The footprints of Pragati's successful journey moves on with world-class production of ice cream with a mesmerizing array of flavors. Ice creams are produced from the best quality ingredients, dry fruits, along with fresh milk and cream using sophisticated and global standard equipments.
चलो हिमालय चलते हैं.
वाव प्रगति यहाँ भी प्रगति.
हाँ प्रगति इतनी ऊंचाई पे.
दिल बार बार चाहे फन हो जाए. दिल बार बार चाहे फन हो जाए. फ्रूटी नटी क्रंची मंची शुद्ध मिल्की मिल्की हो जाए कूल कूल पार्टी.
प्रगति गोल्ड आइसक्रीम प्योरली मिल्क बेस्ड.
The plant is equipped with world-class machineries placed in an efficient and excellent layout and other infrastructure facilities to manufacture and pack products, keeping in mind the food safety standards. In addition to the 6 lakh litre ETP plant, many other measures have been considered in the construction of the plant to make it environment friendly. There are 6 milk chilling centers across the state. Where hygienic conditions are maintained to retain and enhance the quality of the incoming milk. Incorporated with fully automated receiving systems, they are connected through a network system to the main plant at Jagatpur in Cuttack.
प्रगति मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स में हम लोग सबसे अधिक इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं दूध का उसका नेचुरल क्वालिटी को मेंटेन करने के लिए। उसका जो नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स है उसको हम लोग मेंटेन करने के लिए हमारा टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी है और उसके लिए हमारे जो कलेक्शन सिस्टम है उसके लिए अलग अलग जगह में 6 जगह हम लोगों ने चिलिंग सेंटर बना के रखे हैं विथ वेल इक्विप्ड all the chilling centers.
Pragati has uplifted the socio-economic conditions by creating relationship with the farmers throughout the districts of Cuttack, Puri, Khurda, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada and Jajpur. Pragati reaches out to more than 2,200 villages both in the morning and evening to collect milk at the designated milk centers operating in every village. The milk collection center is equipped with all modern milk testing equipments to fetch a fair price for the milk. Every 10 days, milk supply bills are paid online to the collection centers. Thus, the farmers are paid the very next day. To facilitate farmers, Pragati supplies cattle feeds and supplements at subsidized rates. Apart from that, doorstep cattle health care services are rendered by veterinary doctors. Farmer care executives are appointed to look after the day-to-day milking and milk supply system at the village level. Quality management plays a key role in the dairy industry. Pragati believes in quality management as an act of overseeing all the activities and adopts measures to maintain the desired level of excellence, guided by the philosophy of total quality management. This is done by designated and highly experienced team of veterinary personnel. Doctors, along with dedicated procurement staff, are engaged for the well-being of the farmers in rearing healthy milch animals. Milk from healthy milch animals are collected and tested at the initial level in the collection centers and later at modern laboratories of each chilling center at the time of collection for ensuring excellent raw material input for all its products.
सैंपलिंग प्रोसीजर ये है, जो गाड़ी आने के बाद सबसे पहले गाड़ी का मेन हॉल खोला जाता है, उसका स्मेल देखा जाता है, उसके बाद उसका टेम्परेचर चेक किया जाता है। टेम्परेचर चेक करने के बाद वहाँ से सैंपल लेके सीधे क्वालिटी के लिए लैब को आता है। लैब में सारा एडल्ट्रेशन चेक होता है, दूध की क्वालिटी के लिए MBRT चेक होता है और अगर MBRT कंफर्म है, दूध में कोई एडल्ट्रेशन नहीं है, तब उस दूध को हम लोग रिसीव करते हैं।
Milk and milk products are preserved in low temperatures as per the requirement of the product. Pragati possesses different kinds of sophisticated cold storage to retain the freshness of products and maintaining hygienic measures. As per the milk collection center at various places, the logistics are taken care of by Pragati. One milk collection vehicle is assigned for each route. Milk collection vehicle reaches the milk collection center both in the morning and evening at a fixed time. This time is also maintained for the chilling plant too. The collected milk is stored in the storage tank. has deployed SS insulated road milk tankers of different capacities to carry the chilled milk from the chilling plant to the processing plant. Well-defined refrigerated milk delivery vans deliver milk to the distributors and retail points.
आमे मार्केटिंग नेटवर्क रे समस्त ओडिशार सहर रे कवर करिछु एवं किछि वेस्टर्न ओडिशार पार्ट बाकी अछि। आमे वर्तमान प्लानिंग करिछु समस्त सहर ग्राम एवं वेस्टर्न ओडिशार समस्त सहर को कवर करिया संगे संगे छत्तीसगढ़, वेस्ट बेंगल एवं झारखंड को कवर करिया पे प्लानिंग करिछु।
Research, dedication, upgradation, innovation, connecting with farmers and household has brought Pragati accolades and various awards. Pragati is involved in various CSR activities like plantation of trees, street light elevation in few villages, caring for children's health and treatment in any critical condition, and erection of bridges at various villages for better transportation. Mr. Pradosh Kumar Raut has always believed in innovation and expansion. He dreams big as he understands the needs of the consumers. Pragati has aimed to expand its wings in the future. With a 3 lakh litre per day milk production plant in Jagatpur Industrial Estate, Cuttack, 1 lakh litre per day milk production plant at Banipalli in Bargarh to service the western belt of Odisha, 50,000 litres milk chilling plant at Maniganga and Kishornagar, 10 lakh ton per day milk powder production plant at Chandanpur in Cuttack, and 5,000 litre ice cream production plant at Chandanpur. The most ambitious initiative is the implementation of 500 bulk milk coolers at the village level. Pragati believes in the growth of the farmers and flourish them in a global environment and become the #1 brand of every consumer in Odisha.
प्रगति आपणक समृद्धिर साथी।